at King's building, standing outside your brand new Nucleus. Let's take a look inside. The Nucleus has an exciting modern design. It's filled with natural light from top to bottom and has been built for students to learn, socialize and study in.
All lecture theatres here in the Nucleus building are named after native Scottish trees, all in alphabetical order, with ash on the ground floor and yew on the second floor. Ash Lecture Theatre is a collaborative space. Hybrid learning is a key part of the Nucleus. The acoustics and sound systems of this entire lecture theatre are designed while keeping in mind the remote learners. A lot of thought was put into the Nucleus building design, such as using wood from the native Scottish trees throughout the entire building. Earthy tones are used on the lower levels, transitioning to lighter green colors on the upper levels. Moving up, we have Large Theatre, a turn and learn lecture theatre which makes it easy for students to interact and learn during the lectures. Oak is a large 400-person lecture theatre for high-volume classes. And finally, on the second floor is the U Lecture Theatre, an open space with retractable bleacher seats. This will allow the space to be used for various purposes and events. Alder on the basement level also shares this unique design.
As well as all of that, there are 2 teaching studios with an innovative design, such as this room. It has actually been built such that there's no front of the classroom. This encourages lecturers and tutors to interact with all parts of the class equally. There's even a specialist teaching chemistry lab. The Nucleus has over 400 varying study spaces, from quiet areas and bookable rooms to food stations and endless nooks and crannies. You'll most certainly find somewhere comfortable to work that works for you. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the Nucleus features a great career service, 2 access points to the Murray Library that use a shop, a cafe and a rat bar. Finally, it's also worth noting that the building was made with many sustainability considerations. For example, 200 tons of materials from the previous building that was here have been recycled into the Nucleus, and this has reduced the carbon footprint of the building as a whole.
The Nucleus is now open. Come explore and share your experience online.